This sucks.
I know, bruh.
I have like 5 research projects, I have 3 tests, I have 4 or 5 essays I need to write, and I need to research a cure for the common cold by next week.
I gotta read 1 chapter. It's a long chapter.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I think I know what we can do.
Man, I haven't played this game in a minute.
And I'll tell you, bruh.
You know what else I haven't played in a while?
What?
Chocolate! Chocolate!
Chocolate!
Oh, I didn't see you there. Because you two bits where they blue bits.
How are you playing that on the PC?
I got my ways. It's 104 days of summer vacation and school comes around just to end it. So the annual problem of our generation is finding a good way to spend it. Like maybe...
Pop Tropica?
Yeah, what about it?
What were you, a nerd?
Shut up. What did you play?
Club Penguin.
Club Penguin. Whoa!
Man, I needed that. I got all my work done, and I finished finding a cure for the common cold.
I didn't read my chapter.
What?
I can't read.
What?
But it ain't no problem no more.
That's right.
That's my boy. Wait, is your professor Dr. Dre?
Yeah, why?
Wait, you got fired. So like, all your assignments, you don't need to do them.
Seriously?